So hello everyone, Badstack Gaming is here. Hello. So for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to unlock 120 FPS in any Android or iOS devices. As you can see, I unlocked the 120 FPS on my Infinix Zero Ultra. As you can see, this is my phone, this is my device, Infinix Zero Ultra. So let's search for Infinix PUBG graphics, the original graphics. So here. So as you can see, it's only 60 FPS. Wait, keep forwarding. So you can see that is Infinix Zero Ultra. Here. As you can see, extreme only. Smooth, and the frame rate is extreme. That's mean 60 FPS only. So that is all. This tutorial is 100% working. As you can see, I've been unlocked the 120 FPS. See? Yeah. So let's go. So first steps is download this app, these two app, Shizuko and 90 FPS. Open the 90 FPS app and wait. So that click the Shizuko method, click this proceed, click pairing, notification, on the notification. Then click the developer option, this wireless debugging, click that wireless debugging and tap more, pairing device with pairing code. So be careful with typing the number. Okay, 6064100. Okay, click the arrow, then go back, and click start. Oh no, click start. Okay, click the deeper option, click and open, then okay, click the authorize application, tap the 90 FPS to unlock it. Save and go back to 90 FPS up. Let's wait. Okay, click the Shizuko method and wait. Then click, as you can see, this click the 120 FPS and read it, then click yes. Just let's wait. So here is the step by step to unlock 120 FPS. So this thermocap latest version. So first swipe, and this is the step by step, 1 2 3 4 step. That is step. Then download the Thermox app in Telegram, then click join, then download this Thermox app, then install and open, click allow, then that's okay. Go back to Google Chrome, then find the step 2. So there's the step 2. Copy this text, pkg update and pkg upgrade. Copy this, click copy, go back, go to Thermox, so paste it. After you paste, click space to click space. Then as you can see, this PKG update and then PKG upgrade. Click enter. Let's wait. Just wait. So as you can see, type yes, then click enter, and wait, then type yes, and one more yes, and wait, and yes more, and yes. Okay, let's wait. Okay, that is all. So go back to 90 fps up, then click 90 unlock 90 fps. So watch ad. Sorry, I'm sick. So let's wait for that ads end. So click X, then unlocking 120 fps. Please wait. Let's wait. As you can see, 120 fps is unlocked, and click the launch game. So that's all. Let's wait. So ayan lang guys, kahit i-restart mo pa yung device mo, diyan mawawala. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the heart button and the follow button. Please guys, support me. Okay, as you can see, we've unlocked the 120 fps on my Infinix Zero Ultra. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.